Hey everybody, it's Ben here, and I just got my April electric bill. I installed solar panels myself on my garage. Normally I'd be right in front of the solar panels, but it's raining and pretty yucky outside, so we're in the garage right now. This is my actual legitimate electric bill. It has not been opened. I really don't know what it will be. No tricks, but let's just open it up and see how much money solar has saved me this month. So the grand total, negative $13.86. Last month's electric bill was $14 I owed. This month, they owe me almost $14. I'm pretty happy with this, and if this year is anything like last year, unless we really change our lifestyle, I'm going to get owed money all summer. My credits are going to get me into the fall, and I think I paid an electric bill in December, either November or December of last year. Our actual usage for this month is negative 273 kilowatt hours. So that's all energy that actually went from my house back out to the neighborhood, providing some solar power to some of my neighbors here. And because of that, I'm covered with my flat charges and all of that. And they still owed me almost $14. Solar is a great way to save money. If you've got property that's anywhere in the sunlight, please take a look at it. Get a solar installer over and give you an estimate, or take a class, learn how to do some of this yourself. But solar is definitely paying off for me. So until next time, stay charged up.